Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pie with graham cracker crust. First, let's prepare our delicious base. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix these together well, then press the mixture firmly into a 9-inch pie plate. Bake this for about 10 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit to set it perfectly. This simple step creates a wonderful foundation for your pie. Now let's gather the ingredients for our rich pumpkin filling. You'll need 1 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin puree, ensuring it's not the pre-spiced pie filling. Combine this with 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon each of ground cloves and nutmeg, plus a tiny pinch of salt. These spices create that classic, comforting flavor. With all your ingredients ready, it's time to bring the filling together. In a large bowl, whisk the pumpkin puree, heavy cream, both sugars, and eggs until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Next, gently stir in all your wonderful spices and that pinch of salt. Once everything is perfectly blended, carefully pour this delicious filling into your pre-baked graham cracker crust. Bake your pie for 50 to 60 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Knowing when your pie is perfectly baked is key. A knife inserted near the center should come out clean. Once baked, let your beautiful pumpkin pie cool completely on a wire rack for at least 2 hours. This crucial step allows the filling to set properly. For the best texture and flavor, refrigerate the pie for at least 3 hours, or even better, overnight. Serve your chilled pie with a generous dollop of whipped cream or a light sprinkle of cinnamon for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.